Hello and welcome to another painting video. In this video I'll be painting a Necromantic Horror Zombie. A while ago I tackled the Werewolf and the Flesh Golem, and now it's time to finish the team. Let's begin, shall we? First, let's do the zombie skin. As always, I prime the model with Wraithbone. Then I base coat the skin with Orruk Flesh. Then I give the skin a wash of Agrax Earthshade. As a second wash, I'm using Athonian Camoshade, just to shade it a little bit more and to get a little bit more dirty green in the mix. Now I layer back with Orruk Flesh to bring back the original color. The highlight I'll be doing with Nurgling Green. Lastly, I use Krieg Khaki to highlight some parts of the face to make it stand out more. I bought the new paint Orruk Flesh and I really wanted to try this. I think it works rather well if you want to go for the classic green zombie skin, as you can see here. The uniform is a orange shirt and black trousers. The shirt I base coat with Gryph-Hound Orange. Then the shirts get a highlight of Fire Dragon Bright. The trousers and boots I base coat with Black Templar contrast paint. And give them a highlight of Celestra Grey. I actually like the coverage of Gryph-Hound Orange. And you can't go wrong with an orange shirt for a Halloween themed Blood Bowl team. The armor pieces are given a base coat of Leviadon Blue. Usually one coat is enough. Next I highlight with Thunderhawk Blue. And I finish with a highlight of Hoeth Blue. This is a simple way of painting dark blue armor. You can scratch it up a little bit by painting dots and scrapes of Thunderhawk Blue and highlight those with Hoeth Blue. And now it's already time to finish up some details found on the model. First, I base coat the ropes with Gore-Grunta Fur. Making these zombies also scarecrows is a little bit weird, but it's also very Halloweeny, so I base coat the straw with Zandri Dust. And wash the straw with Agrax Earthshade. Finally, the straw gets a highlight of Karak Stone. The eyes, or eye in this case, I base coat with Blood Angel Red. The bones are given a coat of Skeleton Horde. The metal is base coated with Leadbelcher. And shaded with Nuln Oil. And lastly, I use Stormhost Silver to highlight. And here we have a zombie for my Necromantic Horror Blood Bowl team. As the team has this classic Halloween feel to it, I wanted the zombie to reflect that. So no gory diseased skin this time, but a dark greenish skin that looks a little bit more cartoony but works very well with this model. Up next are the Ghoul and the Wraith. Be sure to check out my Instagram, where I will show pictures of current projects and behind the scenes stuff. Thanks for watching!